Mrs. Gilling back to give you some instructions on your Lesson 17 discussion board. So, mandatory sentencing guidelines have pros and cons. They may lead to unintended consequences such as prison crowding or racial bias. Given the importance of crafting fair guidelines, please answer the following questions using complete sentences. So, number one, out of the following groups of people, which two do you think are best qualified to write sentencing guidelines? So, who do you feel to be the ones that choose what kind of mandatory sentencing happens or what kind of punishments that offenders should receive? So, you're going to pick out of these people. So, consider judges, prosecutors, defense attorneys, politicians, researchers, victims, and reformed offenders. And reformed offenders are people that committed those crimes in the past, but now they've changed and they're not doing those sorts of things anymore. So make sure to write one complete sentence listing the two that you would pick. For number two, I want a complete sentence listing what makes the first group you chose a good pick. Why are they qualified to write those guidelines? Why are they more qualified than the other groups? Number three, what makes the second group you chose a good pick? So same thing. Why would you put them in that position to make, mandatory sentencing guidelines? Here is your rubric you'll follow for this one. So you get 20 points for that first sentence where you list which two groups of people are best qualified. You get 40 points for explaining what makes the first group you chose a good pick. And this is broken here, I'll fix it. But you're going to get 40 points for sharing what makes the second group a good pick. So if you have any questions, as always, reach out to me. But other than that, good luck on this one.